Hey everyone, happy Bhai Phota to everybody who celebrates, and an early happy Chhat Puja also. I have managed to be productive since the last couple of days. I did manage to complete a lot of subjects. I could do maybe 5 hours of studies each day, and I'm taking my sweet time on each subject, which could be done quite faster. Like I am allotting one subject per day, even if these are shorter subjects. Like I could easily have done patho and pharma yesterday, completed them together, but I did only pharma and then I called it a day because I thought that at least I have managed to complete one subject. Started some previous year questions, like I'm gonna do the previous year questions of maybe only the major subjects, however much I can. And yeah, that's been the update for studies at least. What's happened is tried to do a study challenge, like I thought that I would do a study challenge. I saw on somebody's channel that you increase your study hour by half an hour each day, and you decrease your phone time by half an hour. But as soon as I started this challenge, like Diwali fell in the middle, and those 2 days, like I couldn't do anything at all in terms of studies. So yeah, the challenge got disrupted, and after that I was doing only 5 hours of studies each day, and like I didn't want to increase that at all. But at least my screen time has decreased a little bit, so I am thankful that at least the studies are distracting me from the phone usage and everything. The last time I had spoken to y'all, I had said that I was a bit confused about my specialty, the one I would rather rank on top. And like I read a lot of Reddit posts on Indian Med School, the subreddit, and NEET PG counseling, and there are like people who are unsure like me. There are so many posts out there comparing different specialties, their future lifestyle, their future earning capacities, the different colleges, their reviews, the colleges to put on top for your choice, your selection of colleges. So yeah, you should visit Reddit definitely and check those posts out. You can also make your own posts if you want that. After reading a lot of these posts, like I made a very concrete decision for myself about the specialties I want, and a lot of specialties I was kind of sort of considering, I've thrown them out, like just because of the future prospects, the job prospects, the future salary. So yeah, I've taken, like I've mentioned those specialties before that I do want, and I've settled back on them again only. While I was perusing these subreddits, I accidentally got recommended a subreddit from another Indian site, and it was like a SBI PO exam, and the people, it's up there now, even like it's very popular right now. I think it was posted 3 days ago, and they had, like, it was a post, it was a very popular post saying that they have cracked such a difficult exam and they are getting paid only 70,000 per month. They should ask the government to pay them at least 1 lakh per month. And it got me wondering, and I don't tread this path very often because I know I couldn't like do these exams. I'm not very good at math, so like I could have never given these exams or engineering. Like this was the calling for me, but it sets you wondering a little, it gets you wondering, sorry. Like these, I am not disparaging them or anything, but they have holidays, they have fixed working hours, they don't have any night duties or anything, and they are asking for 1 lakh salary because of cracking such a difficult exam. And if you compare NEET PG with that, I think like SBI PO is one step, and NEET PG, you have been through so many difficult exams to get to this exam, which is again a difficult exam. You have cracked NEET PG, you have given 4 MBBS professional examinations, which are like not very easy. I am like a fun fact about me, whenever I used to study less during my NEET PG preparation days, I used to get nightmares, and those nightmares were almost always either of my class 12 math examination or of my final professional examination, because I think my final professional examination was the toughest exam I have ever given, even compared to NEET PG. So yeah, we've given those 4 exams. We have given NEET PG. We'll be giving exams further on. And as I was reading these subreddits, Pedia was one subject I was interested in, and I read a post on Indian Med School, and I was seeing the salaries, and the salaries down south are so poor. Like I do love the subject, but like if somebody isn't that into the subject, if they are considering it only because they have gotten a rank, or they are not getting medicine and considering it is as a substitute or something, you should check the Reddit out for the salaries. Like I saw 58,000 60,000 salaries, 85,000 salaries. You are doing this after 9 years of studies, considering like hoping that you have cracked everything in one go, which would make you a total genius. And like, and still you are getting this much salary in Bengal, in Kerala, sorry, Bangalore, not Bengal. Bengal also very poor salaries are there, but in Bangalore, in Kerala. And yeah, it sets me wondering that like the amount of effort you put in, the returns you're getting back, is that equivalent to the amount of effort you are putting in? But I'm always grateful. Like biology is the thing I could do. I really couldn't imagine reading also anything else. So I am very grateful to have an opportunity even to work for these specialties, the specialties that I have enjoyed a lot during my internship days. This is the work I do enjoy. I do not enjoy working on spreadsheets or Excels or whatever, other people do. So yeah, I'm like, even if I get lower salary and if I am working in a subject I do enjoy, it's gonna be worth it for me. I think I am that kind of person. So yeah, guys, comment what you've been doing these past few days, whether you're getting any last minute specialty change jitters like me, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Also, just an update on the exams, like side. My UPSC CMS interview hasn't occurred. The West Bengal GDMO examination, I do not know when they are going to take out any notification. And for the NEET PG examination, the people who haven't registered till now, please do register. And those who have registered till now, the reset option is available, where you can change some of your options that you had given earlier. You can change your category, you can add deemed university or stuff like that. Yeah, that's it in terms of updates, I guess. Okay, bye bye.